Welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I will be discussing about the Revoucher hiring update. Like you guys were wondering that after you receive the offer letter, what is the next step? What is the next mail you will receive from Revoucher? So many of you guys were asking me. So I thought of making a video and explaining it about it. Let's start the video. So before starting the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you are new to my channel, then definitely you should join the Telegram group, because there are many updates which I am not possible to like update on YouTube. So there I post all the updates. So don't forget to join my Telegram group. Also, hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button so that you get all updates as I post new videos. So let's start with the video. So after you receive this offer letter from Revoucher, so you will receive, the next step is you will receive the Revoucher Readiness Program batch. Okay, so this is a sort of mail that you will receive. Dear candidates, greeting from Revoucher. We are glad to announce that our next Revoucher Readiness Program batch will be starting on 4th July in Pune. Okay, so it is for 2022 batch and its location they have given is Pune, and they have asked me to fill the below survey link. So after clicking on this link, another page is going to open. So this is the Revoucher Readiness Program 2022 July availability Pune batch. So there are certain fields which are required to be filled by you, like the candidate names, mail ID, college name, contact number. Fifth point is, are you available to start your Revoucher Readiness Program from 4th July onwards in Pune? So you have to relocate to Pune. Okay, so if you are available, like if you have completed all your semesters and you are completely free, then click on yes. If you have any work or you cannot join on 4th July, then they do the training program in batches. They conduct the training program in batches. Okay, so this is the first batch. The second batch will be after like 1 month or 2 months. Okay, so for that, if you are if you want to join the second or the third batch, then click on no. And then after clicking on no, there will be an option that when will you be available to take training with us. So then you mention a appropriate date, that when you are free or when you are available to take training. Okay, so that you have to mention. And then seventh point is current state and state current city and state where you are located in now. Also the current region that you are located in, east, west, north, south. Okay, so this is it. If you click on yes, then only 2 points are there after that, that is current city and current region. So they will not ask you about the dates or anything, because you have to relocate to Pune to join the training session from 4th of July. So again, I will tell you, this training session is a 3 months training program. You have to sign a bond before the training program, and that 3 months training program, the all the lodging and fooding facilities will be provided by the company. Also, you will get a stipend of 5,000 rupees per month, and on successful completion of the training, you will have to sit for an interview with the client of Revoucher, that is mainly Infosys. And there, if you get selected, you will be hired as a software engineer role with a package of 6 LPA. Right, and if you are not selected in Infosys, then also you can work with Revoucher with a package of 4 LPA. So this was all about the training program and the Revoucher. So according to my suggestion, if you ask me, join. If you are free and you can join, then definitely you should join from 4th July. But if you have certain circumstances that you can't join, then only click on no. Otherwise, click on yes, because you never know that the next batch will be starting when, after 2 months or 3 months. So you need to wait then. Okay, so accordingly, if you are free, if you can join, then click yes or no. And the other fields are like the common general fields, you know how to fill it. So this was all about the Revoucher Readiness Program. So you guys were messaging me that what are the any updates after the offer letter. So after the offer letter, this is the only update that I have received. After 5 to 6 days, that 17th June I have received the offer letter, and this is 21 June, as you can see. So 4 to 5 days you will receive this hiring update. So fill the form as soon as possible, and then your training program will get started. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and if you guys really like my video, then definitely like, share and subscribe to my channel, and join the Telegram group as I mentioned earlier. Also, see all my videos, like the previous one was my offer letter video, how you will sign the offer letter. So that also you can see if you have missed that video. So thank you for watching. Bye.